Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is going to be kind of my collection of my iPhone 12 Pro Max cases, because I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color gold and in the 128 gigabytes, and I have a few cases that I want to show you today. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of my iPhone, you can go watch it. So yeah, today I wanted to share with you all of the cases that I have for my iPhone and tell you a little bit about the quality, the price range, and everything like that. So the first case that I got for my iPhone was actually purchased with the iPhone from the Apple Store. So this is the silicone Apple case with the MagSafe in the color white, and I am in love with this case. It has protection on all of the sides, and since this is the one that I first got, this is the one that I have used the most. So I can really tell you that this case is super high quality. It is very expensive, at least for me, but I decided to get it anyways, and I have been loving it. The only issues that I can say that I have been having recently are the little sides here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like breaking a bit, the sides. But besides that, I have had this case for about a month now, and it is not that dirty. Since it is white, you would think that it will get dirty very quickly, but I want to say that it doesn't, and I have had this case for over a month now, and it's kind of like brand new. It has very little like shading around the corners because like of dirt. So besides that, everything is cool. It's okay. Very in love with this case, the color, the protection. It is hard case on the back, and it does have the MagSafe if you have the charger. Okay, so the next case that I got, well, actually my boyfriend got it for me for Christmas, and this one is so much affordable. I think this was like $15 or $10. I am not really sure, but this is how it looks like. It's literally kind of the same exact thing of the Apple cases, and it does open right around here, and the Apple one doesn't open right here, so it has all of this closed, but it's not a problem. The only thing that I could say about this case, since it is way cheaper, kind of like the sides right here are peeling off. But besides that, I have to say that this is a really good case for the price. On my unboxing video, I did unbox this case, and I got a lot of questions on where did I get it, but I don't actually have like an online page that I can post a link because I did get this from a local store in my country. So I did try to find a similar one on Amazon with good reviews. So if you want a similar case, you can go get it. Okay, so the next case that I got, I was kindly gifted this. This is the packaging that it comes in. Really cute. So basically this is like a Amazon store, so a store within Amazon that is called Cortailor. I'm going to link everything down below if you want to purchase it, but they kindly gave me a case for me to review, and honestly, the packaging, first of all, very good packaging, I have to say, and you can literally just press here and it will slide open just like that, and it comes with like a little pouch that I think it's so cool, because this will actually help me to put all of my cases in one place so they don't get lost. So this is how it looks. So it comes with a little pouch, and I am so glad that the color that they gave me was this one. So Oh my god, like look at this yellow. It's kind of like a really bright out there yellow. It screams yellow. It's kind of like a neon yellow. Yeah, but it has black lining right here. It is hard case. It is basically very similar to the Apple case, but this is not silicone material. This is microfiber leather, and this is handmade. It's very sturdy. Like when you try to bend it, it just bends a little bit. Okay, you guys, so literally I just filmed this whole entire part that you're gonna see now, and the mic was not on. So let's start this again. So this Cortailor iPhone case is $16.99. They have 3 different colors that you can choose from for the iPhone 12 Pro Max cases. So they have yellow, the one that I showed you right here. They have black, and then they have like a army green. And as you can see, I really like the same exact like shape of cases, like this one with very simple. Like I literally like very simple cases. So thank you so much for Cortailor for sending me this iPhone case. Okay, and the last case that I want to show you today, literally the same exact shape as the other ones. I am just obsessed. But this one is from Target. So this is the case that I'm talking about. Is kind of a baby pink color. These are the sides, and it opens up here, and it is a silicone material, and it's from the company Heyday, but I do believe that they only sell these on Target. So if you have a Target nearby, you can stop and get one of these. Very good quality. This was $19.99, literally $20. But it was so worth it. I love it. Also has a smooth like texture on the inside, and it's very sturdy. It doesn't actually bend that much, so I really like that. That is the last case that I wanted to show you today. So I am so happy with my 4 different cases. So I'm going to kind of give a last review of the price range and the materials and everything, so you can see real quick. So the most expensive is obviously the Apple one. This one right here, it is a silicone material, and it has the MagSafe thing to it. It was $50. Then we have the Target one for price range. So this one was $20, 10 out of 10. Then we have the Cortailor one. This is from Amazon. So this one is the yellow one. This one was $16.99. Very good price for the case that you get. It has covering on all the sides. Also the lining that it has right here, it helps protect the cameras. So really like that. And the last one, that is the most affordable or the most cheap one. This one that I have right here, I love the color. The same exact material. It is silicone material. The inside is smooth as well. This one was, I believe, between $15 and $20. So this one, I'm going to try to find a similar one with the similar price range on Amazon, so you can go and shop it if you want, if you liked it. So I am so happy with all of my cases that I have, and 3 that I have are silicone material, and the one from Cortailor is microfiber leather. Also, I have gotten so many questions about my purchase for my iPhone. So if you regret it, if you have had some issues, some problems, literally I am in love with my iPhone. I don't regret it at all. I haven't had any issues, any problems, and for me it has been such a good experience. I am so happy to use all of my cases. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!